Hello and welcome. It is Thursday, the 16th day of February 2017, as the uptrend remains everything intact. Low volatility, only 1.06% as it passes 11 o'clock New York time. And the high is barely above the previous one and going into the lower range of what I was expecting, around 18 and a third. Of course, price action still a little bit away from there, and moving this on to a 4-hour chart. What's interesting, there's 7 up periods in a row, but whatever for that, it's 4-hour charts. However, the 4-hour one that ended from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. had an interesting situation as it tested this previous resistance, came back down towards this trend, and within this time frame is now back, and now a test number 3 on the short term of today's high, or from this breakout point within here. So this looks like a relatively decent bullish pattern that should continue. I wouldn't expect volatility to get that large, but definitely from this point bullish, looking to be breaking out as it's lifting off from this 18 average of highs within the Bitcoin chart. Also attempting to make a breakout marginally above previous highs, so it's barely above it. It's marginally above this 18 average of highs as it again approaching this 11 o'clock time frame. Like silver, volatility really low, in at 2.21%, which is bigger than most of these previous days, but definitely showing the strength as if it's looking like it wants to move. Is it a clear break above this point yet? No. I think more clear would be closer to here, at least for this point, as these are the next two key resistance levels, 1050 and 1100. If things remain on low volatility, it could take some time to get there, and I have no idea how it's going to move because it's almost wild card as it does break out past this key resistance point. A lot of people will see. Not many people will see this 18 average band because it's something I thought of years ago that I thought was a good idea, and I think it is, but everyone will see this resistance point, and that's why it's wild card for how volatile this move could come up, or if it would be a failed move. I don't know how often failed moves, fast moves, would occur on this chart, meaning if I'm looking at short-term analysis, would it be more likely if this thing was going to go down to go up here and then spike lower? Because within the Crimex markets, or silver, gold, currency, stocks, all that stuff, it's so common to happen. This thing has done well from the fundamentals as far as free market trading has been going on so far. So thank you for tuning in. Take care.